Today I'm making a classic braised chicken with mushrooms, but this time I'm adding noodles to turn it into a one-pot meal. After braising, the chicken is soft and tender and the noodles soak up all the umami flavors from the sauce. First, let's prep the chicken. Here I have 2 whole chicken thighs. I prefer to use chicken thigh for this recipe because the longer you braise it, the meat becomes more tender. Now let's marinate the chicken. Half a teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Just smack it. Here. Some ginger. Yellow onion. The yellow onion is going to add natural sweetness to the dish. And set them aside. Here I have dried mushrooms. They have been pre-soaked for 4 to 5 hours until they turn soft. So we're going to remove the stem. First, you'll need to squeeze out all the excess water from the mushroom. And then cut it into smaller pieces. Then set the mushrooms aside. I'm also going to add 1 star anise in this recipe. Once all the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. Once the wok is hot, add in some oil. Add the mushrooms. Saute until mushroom is fragrant or it will start to turn golden brown. Then remove from the wok. Add a bit more oil. Garlic and ginger in. And star anise. Saute until fragrant or until it turns golden brown. Then add the chicken, skin side down. Cook on medium heat until the skin turns golden brown and then turn over. Add the yellow onion. Add back the mushroom. Some soya sauce. Shaoxing wine. Dark soya sauce. Now add water or chicken stock. Just make sure the water level is about the same level as the chicken. Bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, I can't wait to try this. Smells so good. Now let's add the noodles. Just tuck it in. And I'm going to increase the heat to cook the noodles. Once the noodles soften slightly, gently loosen it up. If you find that there isn't enough liquid to cook the noodles, just add a bit of water or chicken stock. Cook the noodles according to the packet instruction. Once the noodles are cooked, season with some salt and sugar, a few drops of sesame oil, and then if you want to thicken the sauce, add some cornstarch slurry. And lastly, garnish with some spring onions or coriander. This dish is warm, it's comforting, it's got that simple, homely flavor that's so comforting and satisfying. The chicken is juicy and tender, and the noodles are packed with flavor. This is so good. The noodles have absorbed all the flavors from the mushroom and chicken sauce, and it's just so tasty. This is a very convenient one-pot meal, and I hope you enjoy it.